Good day, welcome to multi-layer design. In the continuation of our 4-bedroom Ensuite that we are working on. So in the last episode we were able to combine everything together and create annotate the whole bedroom. So in this particular one, what we want to do is to complete the graphics of the plan floor, then bring the style to the roof and let's see how the whole beauty of everything will start coming out one after the other. So let's go there. So now I'm going to start bringing templates to be used for them. So go to come here and start using, select the one that's suitable for any area that you know. So I'm going to start with this one, this over. I'm going to place this one here. So I start, then I look for more. So what is it I need to look into? So I'm going to go to this for the zero. It's not over yet, so I'll still search for more. So if you, after the completion of this, so you can just later, after I complete it, that's why I said you can come later and make sure that you ask for the templates. If you need it, you can come. I will just like over it onto you. So now let's go and start putting the roofs where it's supposed to, and beds where space is supposed to be. So another bed should be here, and another bed should be, I'm sorry, this is perfect. So this the bed side, this is bed side. So I think that one is done. So now we move on to select more options. So I will say yes, dining. So I'm going to increase the number of this one. So I'm going to increase it. So first I need to change the diameter to 1200. Where I change this one to, okay, I think it's okay. Then increase this one to 6. So the diameter is going to be here. So if you want more, if you want to expand it more, you do the same thing here. Just increase to 1.5. It automatically updates itself and you get bigger. So now go to kitchen and let's select the kitchen cabinet. So this one I've chosen. So I'm going to place this one here. This is okay for me. If it's not, then I check the area that is suitable for it. I think this side is perfect. Understand? So you can double it or do whatever you want to do with it. So do this one. So here see annotate line. So use this line. Then you stop it here. So you do the same thing here now. Then just do that. So now after you've done this one, so the next is that you can bring this one again too, just like bring it here. Understand? Put it there. Then you get this one. Just move this to the back and shift it here. Okay. So you can have to, depends on whatever. So I'm going to click like getting another extra one. So let it be here. So now I will go to this place and I will insert one or insert two. So it depends on the way you want it to be. So if you have any other pattern of, so now let's focus on the toilet the same way. So I'm going to say WC first. So select that and put it where the toilets are supposed to. So this one too. Sit here. So visitor toilet here. Can bring this one here. So like this one too. Just select. So how many do you have now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And let's guess one. Okay, now let's go to sour tree. So bring sour tree here. So let's say this wants to be here. Another one. The visitor doesn't need sour tree. Nobody's sleeping. Nobody's living in the house with sour tree. So it's not going to be here like that. Then the next one is this place. So put it here, and this one too. Let's put it here as well. So let's see whether was yarn basing is available. If it's not available, then we delete that side and not continue to put everything in order. So I think that's represent what we need to represent. So I think I do with that now. You know what I've created. So now let's say I actually want to create a terminal rectangle wood like this. So I don't let me just leave this one. So we just use annotate to represent the Tiffy anyway, whatsoever you call it, whether Tiffy chef or whatsoever. So just annotate to represent where it's supposed to be. I'm putting it here as well. So just use annotate to represent it. So that's just my own best thinking that okay, that can stay. So like I've said, now I want to start to work on the doors. I'm selecting, let me see whether I can. Yes, I think I have a door supposed to be used, so I can just like drag this one and use double door as well here too. So I will align this, and that will give advantage to this one. So let's say we select this door in wall. Let's see to take it backward. Okay, now this one is going to flip inside. Okay, so like that, select this one to change to double. Okay, so I think with that we are okay with most of everything we have done. You see the toilet, you see everything, annotation itself. So let me just do the graphics of the last aspect before I proceed to what to do next. So let's say annotate region, create region. Yeah. So first is this one. Draw this. Then the last one. Draw this. So I'm done with this. So region of particular diagonal crush. Anyway, you can just duplicate that and say okay. So yeah, come here, use this particular one and say okay. You can change the color if you feel like changing the color, but I happen to leave the color the way it is. But sometimes you look deep onto me. So what I do is that before I the graphics by elements, and I can change to halftone or increase the transparency so that you'll be able to see underneath. And think, or you can just say halftone as well, and you say okay. So this is how far you have on this. So this is done. Now let's quickly go to education by going to, I need to set up another level, which is this. So I'm going to say, so another level to be on this. So the reason is that I'm taking all the external wall. That's what I want to do. So let's say level 4, and I will change it to level 3 by renaming it. Rename it to level 3. Just type to okay. So yes. So now I'm going to go to this place. So what I need to draw is that I need to draw wall. So what I'm doing here is underlay. I want to see background or image of this one. It does not affect anything. You cannot edit anything from here. Just as you'll be able to use it and trace your work out. So I'm going to say architecture and wall. So instead of me connecting wall to be 3,000, I'm reduce it to 1,500, half of it. So from here, only the external is what I need. So I select from here, then I stop it here. say when the external is what I need. So leave this one like that. So now when you go to 3D, you see the effect. So what does it say? It says that it's above the normal something, so you not bother yourself, just select this wall. Then you say transfer everything from level 3 to level 2. Good for you. So you go back to the 3D and see how tall it is. See the way it's come from. So is this weight what you want to do? So now let's look at the elevation of what we created. This is how far the rating is. That means that it's perfectly arranged. That's the way you want it to be. So we'll go back to this and go and start working on each and every one of them individually. So the first I need to do is that I need to create the rule that will follow through. So I'm deleting this, or let me leave it. So I will say go to level 3. That's why I'm going to draw my. So at the level 3 now, you say rule by footprint. Rule by footprint, you select the rectangular. This is very quick and fast method. So offset of 600. Then you do the needful, complete rectangle. Then you say finish. So do not attach, or you can attach, depends on your own feeling. So attach that. Let's see what we have. So go back to the elevation. Now what is the issue you have? You have the issue of hip roof. This is not what we want. So I'm going to select that one and say edit footprints. So all other one are going towards remove the define slope. Only the back side, I'm going to leave the slope to fall to the back side. So at that back side, now I'm going to say you should give me, that is 5 degrees to do whatever. So this is how it pop-ups its mouth. So check it around if that's okay for you, the height. But the height for me is too much, so I'm going to reduce that by selecting this and change it to 3. So it will come down a little bit. So this is how far we are looking at the whole elevation and the design. But this one is too thick. So in other words, I am going to reduce the thickness and the material of the roof. So I'm changing this one to 50. So the material of the roof is changing again. So instead of me using that one, I can rename it and call it roof. Appearance is what I'm going to focus attention on. So go to appearance library and search for the roof. So this type of roof are there, so you can select anyone that suits you. So I'm just going to scroll down. The one that pleases me is this slate black. So I'm going to use this. So I'll say okay. Then okay, you see the size reducing. So you see it's now flat. So this one allows you to now bring your every other thing that you know that you want to bring to use. So like saving, or you want to create anything that you want us to create. So this is how far we leave this. We continue in the next tutorial where we are going to bring the windows and then start everything to be in composed way like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you. This will follow through. So this is it.